Welcome back. We're now going to pick it up from the conversion action settings. And once we've clicked into the conversion action details, we can then assign a dollar amount for the individual that lands on this page. We can then determine the count. And so you'll see here that what we're saying is that every time a person lands on this page, that's going to be a count. What we're going to say is that we're only going to count one, so that when an individual clicks the ad and the individual lands on this page, that's only going to be counted one time. We can then determine the conversion window. And so what we're going to say is that if the individual comes to this page 60 days after they click the ad, we're going to consider that a conversion from the ad. We can set the engage view conversion window. And so we can set this up to 30 days or custom. Basically, what we're saying here is that this is the window that we want to track an individual as having them considered to be someone who purchased as a result of our advertisement. We can also track individuals that may see the ad but then not interact with it, and we can consider the amount of time that we want that to be. We are going to leave the attribution model in its recommended state. We're now going to click Done. Now there are more elements that you can track using conversion tracking in addition to using a manual code. What we've chosen is the simplest to set up and specific purchases of a product. We're now going to click Save and Continue. What we now need to do is to set up the Google tag, and we're going to do that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video. Welcome back. Now that your video is in place, we can then fill in the other information that the ad platform needs. We're first going to write in the final URL. We're then going to fill in our call to action. We're then going to write in our headline. You can add in a companion banner, and YouTube will auto-generate that banner, or you can upload an image. If you choose to upload an image, you'll need to make sure that that image is going to be 300 by 60 pixels. For the sake of this video, we are going to auto-generate the banner. We are going to give the advertisement a name. And you can see what your ad will look like here in this area. And you can preview the ad on YouTube. Now we have the sound turned off, but you can see how the ad will actually look here on YouTube when it is going to be played. What we can now do is click Create Campaign. And we can now continue to our campaign. Now, for the sake of this video, we're just going to pause the ad group. However, when you'd be ready to run your advertisement, you can then run the advertisement. You will need to have your payment account funded, and then your ad will go through an approval process to determine if it's acceptable for the Google Ad platform. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. You're now looking at OBS Studio, and if you go to obsproject.com, you'll be able to download OBS Studio, and you'll be able to use OBS Studio in order to record video on your personal computer, in addition to being able to record your webcam. You can use this software, which is free and open source, to record videos for your advertisement on a Windows, Mac, or Linux-based computer. You can also use cloud-based tools such as Wave.video, as well as Studio, and you can create different kinds of videos than you would ordinarily be able to create using software like OBS Studio. You can use cloud-based software like Vyond, and Vyond will also allow you to create videos that you wouldn't ordinarily be able to create using desktop-based software. Loom is software that allows you to record your screen as well as your webcam, and if you have demonstration-style videos, you can use a cloud-based service like Loom. If you have video hosting that you pay for with a site like Vimeo, you can use their free screen recorder in order to record, then download your video to your hard drive for editing. And if you're looking to record your screen and your webcam and then edit your recording for future use, you can use a combination video creation software and editor, Camtasia Studio by TechSmith. And if you use a Mac-based computer, while you can use Camtasia, traditionally, Mac users have used ScreenFlow by Telestream. If you use the Adobe suite of products, you can use software such as Adobe Premiere. This allows you to create and edit videos within this software platform. And if you're going to use your recording as e-learning content, you can use Adobe Captivate in order to create your video. So the tools that you use to create your video will depend on how you want to create the video as well as what you want to create. And you can use various combination of tools in order to create a video file that you will be able to upload to YouTube. Of course, the most important step in the process will be that you're going to need to be able to edit what you record. And to do that, you're going to need editing software, and we will look at that in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in that next video. Welcome back. Google allows you to deliver your ad in several different formats. And in describing the kind of ad formats that you have available to you, if you were to go to the YouTube ad homepage, you'll see that those kinds of ads are divided into three categories: awareness, consideration, and action. In order to make people aware of your brand, within the awareness process, you can use skippable in-stream ads, you can use what are called bumper ads, you can use non-skippable in-stream ads, and then what are called masthead ads. And each of these kinds of ads are designed to help make your potential customer aware of your brand. Then in the consideration process, you can use skippable in-stream ads. And again, here the goal is to make as many people aware of your products and services as possible. Skippable in-stream ads are ads that run before, during, or after a video plays, and that give the customer the opportunity to click away from the ad. Within the action process, you have video action ads and discovery ads. Video action ads do have a call to action and are skippable and run before, during, and after a video plays. Discovery ads basically use images to reach people as they're browsing on their YouTube home tab as well as their Watch Next feeds. And coming back to the awareness category, bumper ads are non-skippable and are primarily very quick ads. Non-skippable in-stream ads play before, during, and after the video and force the customer to watch the entire ad. Masthead ads appear at the top of the YouTube home feed but do not play during your customer's video. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to check the specifications for each kind of ad to determine how you want to create the ad and how you're going to run the ad. You're also going to want to be aware of the bidding approach for each kind of ad as you set it up to go with your budget. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video. Welcome back. If you go to your favorite search engine and you search for YouTube ads, you can go to the YouTube ads homepage. What you can then do is you can go to this area that says how it works. You're going to go to this link that says create a video ad. And if you don't know how you're going to create your YouTube video ad, YouTube does give you tools that will help you to create your YouTube ad. For example, you can see as of the recording of this video that there are pre-made templates to create a YouTube video ad. And you're going to see here in this section, there will be a link that says try Google Ads video creation tools. You are going to select your Google Ads account. And what you're then going to do is go to the asset library. Once you go to the asset library, you're going to click this button that says New. You're then going to click this area that says Video, and you're going to click Create Video. You are then going to see templates for different videos that you can use for your campaign. If you find that one of the templates works for you, you can then click Use Template. You are then going to give your video a name. You can then select your brand colors. Once you've done that, you can then upload your logo. The recommended size for your logo is 1000 by 500. You can use a tool like Canva, whether you have the free or paid version, in order to create a logo that will be the right size for your video ad. And when you upload a logo, it will be part of your asset library. You can then select it and then click Save. You'll see your logo here in this area. Now in this individual template, what you're going to notice is that you have recommended sizes for image, but for this template, each of these images is required for you to use it. And if you click this arrow, you'll be able to follow the progress of how your ad is going to look here in this area. Once you have all of your images uploaded, you can then write in the text as suggested by Google. Google will then give you a font catalog, which you can choose the font. You can then select specific music, and you can listen to that music here in this area. And once you have everything ready, you can then click Create Video. You can choose to have the video ad located in video ad storage created by YouTube or your own channel. We're going to select Video Ad Storage Channel. Once you complete it, you can either edit the video or you can upload the video. Once your video is ready, you can then upload it to your storage area. And we have started the uploading process. And we will pick it up from here in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.